That's my chair in there. You wanna know the truth? I can't feel it.
Neither can I if it makes you feel any better.
Listen, Charlie, before we go in, there's something I have to tell you. It's been on my conscience, and you can punch me if you want to.
I don't think I'm gonna want to.
Back when you and Sarah Beth were still married that last year, she and I were fucking.
No kidding.
Like minks. Everywhere. Kitchen table, your bed, garage.
Wow.
Jesus, Charlie, we were friends. Does it make you angry?
Actually, it makes me curious. Makes me wonder who she's fucking now.
Yo ho ho! Merry fucking Christmas! Guess who I brought with me? Ghost of Christmas Past. Ooh. Marley, get the fuck in here.
Hey, everybody. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Hello, Charlie. Come in and have a piece of pie.
Hi, Dottie. No, thank you. I'm fine. I just wanted to stop in and wish you all very merry.
Screw the pie, you old harpy. We're here for dinner. Turkey, cranberry stuffing the works. Right? Yeah. Turkey lurkey.
Pathetic.
What do you say, Stan?
You two are pathetic. Makes me ashamed to be a man.
I'm pathetic. I'm pathetic. Who paid for that hip replacement your insurance company wouldn't cover, huh? Dad? Tell me that. And who took care of your mortgage payments when you were recuperating? And when you're done with that, maybe you could explain to me who it was raised his only daughter to be a cold, grasping, hypocritical bitch!
So, Spence, how you doing?
Go to hell.
Don't you talk to your father that way.
He's not my father. He didn't even send us presents this year. I hate his guts.
Is that right, Charlie? You didn't even send him any Christmas presents?
No. Christmas is tomorrow.
Guess what, Daddy? I was in the Christmas play.
So what? All you were was Tiny Tim's sister, and you didn't even have any lines, and he didn't even come to watch.
He would have, but Mommy didn't send an invitation.
I'm sorry, Charlie, but maybe you should go now. And perhaps you would give Pete a ride home? Sarah Beth and the children will be staying here tonight.
Okay.
Yeah. Listen, sweetie, I'm gonna go and I'm gonna come back and visit you tomorrow, right?
Don't believe Melissa. He's lying. All he ever does is lie.
Shut up.
Merry Christmas, Charlie.
On the whole, I thought that went well.
Yeah, it's good to see the family.
What do you say, one more drink? Night is young.
All right, one more, that's it.
Okay. One more. Who's